Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. 2022 June is considered the worst period in Bitcoin 13 years history. Everything seems to happen at the same time. The catalyst triggered first by the US economic catastrophe, high inflation, stagnation, quantitative tightening. Unfortunately, it is still when the US catch a cold, the whole world gets sick, right? Globally, all assets are affected, like stock exchange, gold, bond, interest. But unfortunately, crypto being the new kick on the economic block is the first to be hit because of its high risk status. Coupled with the high leverage loan, we see Tuna or Terra stablecoin being the first to tumble due to liquidations. In chain reaction, it brings down 3 Arrow Capital, Celsius, BlockFi, Avalanche, which in terms bring down a lot of other CeFi and DeFi, smaller exchanges, and of course some institutions. The worst to be affected will be the retail investors, right, who thinks that they are playing with smaller money, trade along with high yield domain for quick gain. Together, they add up to an insurmountable losses. Yet, retailers are the least affordable people to lost. The whole crypto space collapsed in concerted manner. All right. All cryptos are correlated. Question is, which crypto is going to survive from this carnage? For sure, most shitcoin will not survive. Most up and coming altcoin, those not proven yet, will have difficulty to survive. Only more mature and organized or recognized coins will sustain, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, Cardano, MATIC, and a few others. I say a few others because there are not too many. Now is not the time to bet on wild horses. Now is the time to consolidate your crypto blue chips. Now is the time to hide your crypto in secure cold storage. Like what is always said, not your key, not your coin. So even leaving them in crypto exchange is considered a counterparty risk now. So whenever possible, get out of all wallets or area that you cannot hold the key. Wait for the storm to blow over. For those with guts, maybe a good time to accumulate even. My only advice is, if you must accumulate, collect Bitcoin only. Don't waste your time with other. It is still, it can still go down, of course. For sure, it will not go to zero. Right. Bitcoin is fundamentally too good, essentially too solid, intrinsically. No better coin can replace Bitcoin. Needless to say, a much improved monetary system where every transaction must be honest and truthful, where corruption is impossible, favour-ism is out of question, where everyone on earth is treated equally and decently, all right, irrespective of your status. Simply one fair world. Nevertheless, this is only the first round of serious correction, all right, in the crypto space. I mean, this space is too congested. With the traditional market, you have the bank, the trader, the stock exchanges, the VCs, the fund managements, leverage, auction, etc. With crypto market, you have more. You have the custodian, the crypto exchanges, the wallet, the ICOs, the VCs, the fund management, and then you have the CFI, the DeFi, and now the NFT, and lately the metaverse. More yet to come. It's a more complex than traditional market, yet not regulated. That is an area that is always uncertain. Easily 2/3 of the 18,000 coins or so will be wiped out. Okay? The technology will be ever evolving. All right. More well-conceived coins will enter the market. We are now talking about Web3 and Web3 coins and beyond. In another 5 years or so, crypto space will have to go through another round of corrections. The filtering in the next round will be even more rigorous. Volatility can still be high, but more moderated. Some kind of regulation will be in place. The correction will be still severe but quantified. The survivor from the second shakeout will be left only with the Class A and Class B category. All others will be shaken out for good. Crypto space will be somewhat stabilized, less volatile, and many established coins will be regulated. This is my speculation for the future. One certainty for sure is Bitcoin will be here to stay. Such an excellent innovation cannot be simply swept under the carpet. Neither can it be suppressed. People may not fully recognize this at the moment. Well, the good news is more and more people all over the world are seeing some lights in it now. That light will grow, slow but steadily. Still, only 3% of the world population are into Bitcoin. I repeat, only 3% are into Bitcoin. Please think about it. A good technology that can never be replaced will ultimately have its peak planted, and growth from there is inevitable. Hope you enjoyed today's little episode. See you next time. Bye-bye.